Hello friends, welcome back. With the latest update of the OnePlus beta software, OnePlus has provided a new feature called the canvas option, which is present from the wallpaper settings. You can see here there is a beta option called as OnePlus Canvas. Basically what it does is it provides an outline of a picture you select. Basically the canvas mode works best when you select any photos having faces. So let us try with this face or my daughter's photo and see how it works. So I have selected this photo from the wallpaper and after selecting canvas. So let us have the preview button, and it is processing, it is analyzing the subject. Okay, now you can see once I press, there will be basically two stages. One is the outline section that is shown, then there is a motion blurring, there is a blurring of the background what happens with this software. And once you have the fingerprint unlock, then this blur again slides back into complete photo. So let's have a preview. You can see there is photos are blurred, and then again when it goes to the home screen, it removes the background blur. Again I'll show you again. See the background blur? Yeah, now it comes back to this. So let me apply it and show you. So it is written, to apply canvas effect, the clock style on ambient display will be set as default and the somatic gestures will be enabled. Do you want to apply the canvas effect now? Yes. Okay. So you can see here. Yeah. So this is how it works. It looks really nice. It's a very cool feature. So this is the outline, and once I have this, so it did a face scan and went back into the home screen. You can see there is a blur applied around the face background, and once it goes into the home screen, this blur or the background disappears once again. Let me have a closer look. Yeah, you can see that. So let me select another photo and show you the demo again. So here we go into the wallpapers, select beta canvas. Now from here I'll select another photo. So you need to readjust accordingly, and then press the preview button and analyzes the subject, and once that is done, it creates the canvas effect. Now you see there will be a background effect, blurring effect that is applied beyond the face. You can see the blur here. Yeah, again the blur reduces once it goes back to the home screen. So this is how it will look. It gives basically a preview of how it will appear on your home screen. So now I'll apply the effect. So usually this app tells you that this works best when there are photos with faces of people. So I'll select another photo without any faces and let's see how the effect looks. So let me first show you this photo, how it works. You can see there is a lot of blur that has been applied, and once it checks my face, see the blur disappears. So let us select a photo which is having less of faces and more of any landscape. Again I'll show you this is the blur line, and so I have selected this photo. Let me see whether this can analyze properly and have any kind of blur. This blur cannot be applied because it's a completely black outline. Let us see what it does. So you can see it has completely failed. It is not able to find out any kind of effect on this. So we will go back again, select one more. You can see there is basically no outline visible. I don't know whether we can see or not. So this is what has come out of that temple photo. You can see. So I have selected this photo, and once you select any kind of other photos other than faces, you can see canvas works better with faces. Let me just see the preview if it can generate any kind of preview here. Yes, it has generated some kind of outline. So let us see a demo again. So it has analyzed the photo properly. You can see there is a nice outline that has formed. So this is the new canvas feature present on the OnePlus latest update, beta update. So thank you guys. If you like the video, to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.